Who said breakfast has to be boring? Let's make some scrambled egg breakfast wrap. So to start, I have here 1 egg and I'm going to scramble the egg. I'm also going to make a simple sauce for the wrap. So I add ketchup, mayonnaise, parsley flakes, and some fruit punch juice. To the center of the wrap, I add the sauce, add the scrambled eggs, and also some fried ripe plantain. For the vegetables, I add cucumber, lettuce, carrot, cabbage, and then I sprinkle the sauce over the vegetables. You could customize and add the vegetables of your liking. Then I fold the wrap, add it to a hot frying pan to allow it to seal. Afterwards, I cut and dive right in. Look at it, guys. Very simple, easy, delicious, and healthy scrambled egg breakfast wrap. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And guys, you know say me have to dive in. And it was tasting absolutely delicious. Bye.